Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to get started with some math questions for the second day this week for rainforests. So our questions might have some rainforest animals in it. All right, ready? It says an anteater ate 35 red ants and 55 black ants. So how many did it eat in all? That is a busy anteater, right? 35 red ants and 55 black ants. So let me write that down. 35 and 55. All right, and I just wrote down the standard equation. Look at my board with all that red marker left. I'm gonna have to clean that board. Now I'm looking right away, and I know 5 and 5 is 10. So I know I'm not allowed to do it like that. So do you remember what I'm supposed to do? All right, let's see. I'm going to put the blocks here, the 10s and 1s, so you'll understand. Okay, so let's draw 35. And some of you are past using blocks, and that's okay. But I like to do it both ways in case you're still, thinking about it. 3, 4, 5. Plus, it's a great way for you to actually see what Mr. was talking about with the numbers. Okay? And then this one is 55. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, they're not so great, but they'll do. So here's what I was talking about. You can already see 5 and 5. 5 ones plus 5 ones is a 10. So right away I'm going to circle them, and I'm going to cross them out and make them into a 10 stick. Okay? And I can actually move them over there. Now look, I have no 1s left. So 5 and 5 is 10. So you have no 1s left, and with one new 10 that you made. It's almost like you split that 10 in half. Remember? The 1 is up here, which is actually one new 10. And you have no 1s left over. Okay? So now you can do the adding. 5 1s plus 5 10s, plus 3 10s is 8 10s. Plus 1 more is 9. So 9 10s. And the answer is 90. All right? Understand that? All right. Well, erase it speedy quick. Send me a picture of whatever you did, whichever strategy you used. I'm curious to see. I only did that 1 or 2 ways today because we're going to keep on moving because we have a lot to do. All right, let's see. Ooh, this is kind of a tricky one. It's about those poison arrow frogs, those ones that have poison that they excrete from their skin, that the native people would make poison darts, remember? I think I told you that in one of my videos. And they're very colorful, yeah, warning colors. So let's say there are 7 poison arrow frogs, and each frog, remember that word each? That means every. Each frog has 5 spots, okay? Because sometimes they have those big yellow or bright colored spots. So how many spots in all? Tricky. Now they're not asking you to add them together. They're not saying 7 frogs plus 5 more. That's not what they're asking, so don't add them together. Were you trying to add them together? Yeah, don't add them together. That's not what it says. It says there are 7 frogs. So maybe we should draw 7 circles. There's my 7 frogs, okay? And it says every single one, every frog has 5 spots. So how many spots would that be in all? Now you could go back and do 5 spots on each one like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can simply just put the number 5. There's 5 spots on every one. So how many spots in all? Did you figure it out? Let's count. You can count by 5s, can't you? Yeah. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. There are 35 spots. Writing upside down. 35 spots in all. So the equation, what would that look like? Now you could make an adding equation. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 35. So I can just put my plus signs in there. Okay, that's one way to do it. Or, remember the multiplication sign? Yeah, you can do 7. 7 groups of 5, or 7 times 5. 7 frogs, so 7 groups of 5 spots, or 7 times 5 is 35. Ooh, so tell your mom and dad you're doing multiplication. Yeah, times tables. They'll understand. Okay? All right, erase it speedy quick. And let's move on to our last question. It is about those poison dart frogs again. It says there's 17 poison dart frogs, so 17. And they're sitting in that bromeliad plant. Remember the plant that I talked to you about in science? And then 6 of them jump off. How many are left? That sounds like subtraction, doesn't it? When a part of them go away. So how many jumped off? 6 jumped off. So you have 17 minus 6. Now, could you draw 17 poison dart frogs or circles? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I could draw 17 frogs or circles. You're not going to sit there and draw frogs. It would take too long. So 17 and minus 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And this is how many's left. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11's left. 11's your answer. Now that's one way to do it. What other ways are there? Okay, yeah, you could put this part in your head and count to 17. Let's try that. So you have to start with the part you know, 6, and count up to the whole, which was 17. And you can find out the missing part. Let's try it. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and one more is 17. So that's 10, 11. 11 is your answer. Do it that way. Awesome. All right, if you thought of a different way, show it to me. Alrighty, erase it speedy quick. And remember to go on all your math sites and do a little practice today. I want your addition and subtraction facts to be fast, okay? You shouldn't have to sit there and say, you know, if I say 5 plus 6, you shouldn't have to sit there and count on your fingers at this point. I want you to start getting them fast, okay? So you really do need to practice those. So go on those math facts on MobyMax and stuff and practice, all right? And keep learning.